Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia. If you are one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing Cacharel. Yes, I am glorious. So if you guys want to see this fragrance review, go ahead and stay tuned. So y'all, I literally discovered this brand on one of my late night fragrance binges, and I purchased it from Macy's.com, and I was just scrolling one evening and I saw this fragrance that literally looked like a lipstick. So I was kind of curious. That was the main thing that caught my eye, and I checked it out and it was at a decent price, so I bought it. This was a blind buy. I had never smelled this fragrance before or even knew anything about this brand, and this was something that I kind of had to look up myself and just do a little bit of research because I have never heard of this brand before. After doing a little bit of research, I found out that it is a L'Oreal division. So that was very interesting to find out. And they have a lot of other flankers of this fragrance. So I definitely want to try more in the future. But let me show you guys what the box looks like up close. So as you guys saw, it has a huge picture of the bottle on the side of it, and surprisingly it also has Braille on the side. And honestly, I have not seen Braille on anything in a long time, so I really like that, and I feel like that is very inclusive. Like, Braille should really be on everything, but that was just something different and nice to see. So even though y'all got a little glimpse of it, let me show you guys what the actual bottle looks like up close. So that is what the bottle looks like up close, and it has this little clear kind of protection ring around it that you can take off and put back on. With this bottle, it does have the sprayer built in, which y'all know that's something that I love lately. I really liked that they had that on there, and it has a huge C on the inside of the sprayer. It's really comfortable to put your finger onto. So let's get into the details about this fragrance. So this is kind of a newer launch. This was launched in 2021, so it's not that old. It is classified as a fruity floral, and the top notes include peach and mandarin orange. In the middle notes, there is Frangipani, Tiare Flower and Magnolia. And in the base notes, there is milk, sweet notes, sandalwood, and white cedar extract. Now, I have had this fragrance for, I want to say, like a month now, and this is definitely a blind buy that I fell in love with instantly. When you spray it, you definitely get the peachy notes, and this is a 1 ounce bottle or a 30 milliliter, and this one retails for like $35, so it's really affordable. They have different sizes. This was the smallest though, and they have a larger one. I think it's about a 3 ounce, and it comes in a taller, skinnier bottle. I like that they have different sizes, and they also have gift sets that come with the matching lotion. So let me go ahead and spray this fragrance and let you guys know what I smell. So immediately when you spray it, you definitely get that nice peachy scent in the top note. I don't really get too much of the mandarin orange, which I kind of like that, because with this fragrance, it's almost like the peach is the star of the show, and it adds that nice sweetness that you kind of need in the top note. And literally in the base, you get that milkiness, and it's almost like there's an amber note in there as well. It's just really warm and sophisticated, and it just smells grown. When I smelled this, it has the perfect mixture of cute and just a little bit of sweetness, but it has that nice warm dry down, and just when this dries down on your skin, it is unbelievable how nice this smells. I have worn this fragrance 3 times, and this is definitely something that was a complete pleasant surprise to me, and this is one that I'm very happy that I took a chance and purchased. Honestly, $30-some for me, if it's something that I haven't seen other people review or anything like that, or I haven't really heard too much buzz about it, for a blind buy, I'll just be like, eh. I wouldn't really think that it was worth it, but I'm trying to think back to even remember if I saw any of the notes of this fragrance. I just bought it solely off the bottle. I know that one of their other flankers has chocolate notes in it, so I'm really interested to see how that one turns out. So I will definitely be purchasing more of these in the future. This was literally just one of the best blind buys that I have purchased in a long time. So y'all, this is definitely one that I recommend that you try. This fragrance, I feel like it could work year round and in different situations. Like if you're going to dinner or brunch with your friends, it could work in the summertime. In the wintertime, I feel like this could just work just throughout the day, wherever you're going. It just smells so beautiful. I'm so happy that I picked this up. And honestly, if you guys have tried this or know anyone who has tried it, if you smelled it before, or even if you know more about this brand, let me know down in the comment section, because I enjoy discovering new brands. I don't really know if this is a new brand, but it's new to me, and just finding different fragrances to try. I will definitely have this fragrance linked below in the description box, so if you guys want to check it out and try it for yourself, you can. So y'all, that was my review of Cacharel. Yes, I am glorious. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and as always, I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.